You can work in Polyboard in a number of languages. To change the language, go to the top menu and select the language drop down menu, and from the list choose your preferred language. Okay, I'm just going to quickly open up a simple cabinet and change the language to French. So we've seen that top menu has changed language. Properties menu over here is now in French as well. Everything's changed to French. There is only one thing that doesn't. If I close down this cabinet so we can see the quick design toolbars, these are part of the Polyboard library installation. I installed the English version, so the titles of those toolbars stays in English. Everything else will change when you change the language in the top menu. Thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.